Hello. I'm Lisa. What's your name?
Hi, Lizzer. My name is Tommy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old. And you?
I'm 5 years old. How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family, my parents, my brother, and me. What about you? Have you got any sisters or brothers?
I have got an older brother.
What's his name?
His name is Leo. What does your father do?
My father is a doctor. How about your parents?
My parents are workers. Hi, my name is Maria. What's your name?
Hi, Maria. Nice to meet you. My name is Mr. Johnson. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you, Mr. Johnson?
I'm great, thank you for asking. Are you excited for today's class?
Yes, I'm really excited. I heard we're going to learn about animals.
That's right. We're going to have a fun lesson about different animals and their habitats.
Now you are the student.
Hi, Maria. Nice to meet you. My name is Mr. Johnson. How are you today? I'm great, thank you for asking. Are you excited for today's class? That's right. We're going to have a fun lesson about different animals and their habitats.
What do you feel like eating this morning?
I usually just have a bowl of cereal.
The most important meal of the day is breakfast.
Yeah, but I don't usually have time to eat a big breakfast.
You can always make an easy breakfast.
What do you make?
All I make is oatmeal, toast, and some orange juice.
That sounds pretty good.
I like it, and it's a fast meal.
That is a very quick meal to make.
I can make it for you if you like.
Oatmeal and toast sounds good to me.
How often do you read books?
I read books almost every night before I go to bed.
What's your favorite type of book?
I love reading about different cultures.
Where do you read books?
I read books at home, sometimes in the library.
What's the most interesting book you've ever read?
I think that would be Nepal, a book written about the country of Nepal.
How long does it take you to finish a book?
Well, it depends on the length of the book, but it usually takes me a week to finish a 300-page book.
Do you usually bring books with you when you travel?
Yes, I do. When I'm at the airport or bus station, I read books to kill time.
Is there any bookstore or library in your area?
Unfortunately, there are none near my house. The nearest one is 3 kilometers away.
What sport do you like?
I like playing badminton.
Is it easy to play that sport?
Yes, it's pretty easy to play.
Is that sport popular in your country?
Yes, it is.
How long have you been practicing that sport?
I have been practicing it for 5 years.
Who do you play sports with?
I play badminton with my friends, sometimes with my brother.
How often do you play that sport?
I play badminton every weekend.
What benefits can you get from that sport?
It helps strengthen my muscles.
Do you like watching football?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite football team?
I like the Manchester United Football Club, also known as the Red Devils.
Why is sport important?
Sports are sources of recreation. People can learn how to encourage team spirit when they play sports too.
What time do you get up, Lizzer?
I usually get up at 5:30 a.m.
When do you do morning exercises?
I often do morning exercises at 6 a.m.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6:30 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
What's your hobby?
My hobbies are listening to music and dancing.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is spaghetti.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is milk tea.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:40 a.m. Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name?
Hi, Emma. I'm Liam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Liam. How old are you?
I'm 5 years old. How about you?
I'm 5 too. Do you like to play games?
Yes, I love to play games. My favorite is hide and seek. What's yours?
I like hide and seek too. I also like to play with my dolls. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Lucky. He's very playful. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Dog. She's very fluffy. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What's yours?
I like pink the best. Do you like to draw?
Yes, I love drawing. We should draw together sometime.
That sounds fun. Let's be friends, Liam.
Yes, let's be friends, Emma.
Hi. Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English very well.
My name is Jack. What's your name?
Hi, Jack. My name is Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. How old are you?
I'm 5 years old. And you?
I'm 5 too. Where do you live, Emma?
I live in London. It's a big city. Where do you live, Jack?
I live in New York. It's very busy here. Do you like playing outside?
Yes, I love playing outside. I like playing football. What about you?
I like playing outside too. I love playing soccer. What's your favorite food?
I really like fish and chips.
Oh, I like pizza. It's yummy. Do you have any pets, Emma?
Yes, I have a rabbit. Her name is Fluffy. And you?
I have a dog. His name is Buddy. It's fun talking to you, Emma.
It's fun talking to you too, Jack. Hello. I'm Lizzer. What's your name?
Hi, Lizzer. My name is Tommy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old. And you?
I'm 5 years old. How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family, my parents, my brother, and me. What about you? Have you got any sisters or brothers?
I have got an older brother.
What's his name?
His name is Leo. What does your father do?
My father is a doctor. How about your parents?
My parents are workers.